Hi, welcome to Glide Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to fix Telegram code SMS problem. The steps are easy and simple. So the first thing you have to do is to uninstall your Telegram by searching for the app, tap steadily on it and click on the uninstall option. Having done that, the next thing you have to do is to go to your Play Store app. So right here on my Play Store, all I have to do is to tap on the search option here, type in Telegram and click on the install option in order to install it on my device. Having done that, the next thing you have to do is to go to your phone settings. So right here on my phone settings, so all I have to do is to click on the app management, click on app list, search for Telegram. Next thing you have to do here is to click on the permission option here. Make sure you allow your call log, allow your phone, also allow your camera, allow your location, allow your contacts. Having done that, you can now go back to your Telegram. So right here on my Telegram, I just have to click on start messaging in order to receive message. Select the country that you are in, the actual country that you use to register your Telegram. Type in the exact phone number that you use for registering your Telegram account. Click on this icon. Confirm your phone number. If it's not correct, click on the edit option in order to edit it, but if it's correct, you just click on the yes option in order to continue. So right here, all you have to do is to go to your Gmail, click on the Telegram option here, copy the code sent to you, head straight to your Telegram and paste the code. Having done that, all you have to do is to click on continue. So you just have to type in your password. So guys, you can see that I was able to open my Telegram app with these few steps of mine, and I was able to receive my code. So guys, that is it on how to fix Telegram code SMS problem. If this video was helpful, please do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.